ka Jingdih but ka jingkyrni drugs ha ka jylla Meghalaya kala nang kiew bar Hato gane ka day ka jingbymlah jo ka social welfare jo ka jylla ban pynsngewthuh ki khynnah bar ki Samla ha ba jubab ye gane mentri ka social welfare bar jingmbymlah ha kan rutrik unai lor a ja arpoi ulong ka long ka ba e ba ha ban telaka mi ka Jingdih drugs ha ka jylla Meghalaya namar ki ba bon ka bidi drugs kimmi prthei hindre ki bore yaladi ulong ba ka e namar omla ban ithu ye ki bidi drugs kumba suk ban ithu ye ki bidi kyan.
I don't know exactly where it went wrong. Whether because when it comes to drugs, if suppose I take drugs, I will not reveal it to anybody. I will hide it to myself, not even my close friend. That is how very difficult for the department and then for the family members to trace who are the drug users. Unlike alcohol, if suppose I take, then others will know, and the smell itself also will come to know. So there somehow is easy for us to learn who's using alcohol.
Ulai thuru baman ka por ka social welfare ka jupulong ki awareness program lani ki Jingpynsngewthuh paj ba halor ka jingma na ka Jingdih drugs. Ukan turu iki kimi ki pa ki badani ki khon ki bakirni hau drug ba kimde ban le ran ban wan shakmat na ka banta ban yo ban ai jarap yaki.
So when it comes to drugs, it's very difficult, but yeah, our team, I mean the awareness program, we give it from time to time, and then the family members also, I would like to request them, they should come forward and reveal what is going on in their family. If it happens to be the family member using drugs, it should be revealed to the public because he has nothing to be ashamed of. Yeah, it is, we can consider it is a sickness where it can be treated if we work as a team, if we work together, join hand with the department, with the government. There's nothing cannot be treated. But when you hide it, it will be very difficult.
Ulaban ru ba ka jingkhang dam ha ka jylla na ka da ka khlam COVID-19 kalapan hiar khindiat ke jingdan ki nong di drugs na mar kimla ban yo yo.
By now I think in this area is one of the district where you will find most of the youth will be spoiled. I'm lucky to say that somehow we are far from that, and with the lockdown also it helped because lockdown, the first incident happened. It happens to be that nobody get a chance to get the drugs. So even those users also, they start stopping since they don't have the materials to use.